the heated debate over that proposed Islamic community center and mosque near Ground Zero here in New York. Both sides are taking to the streets in protest this morning. Lindsay Davis is at the site with the latest on this very emotional issue. Lindsay?
Good morning, Bob. This is where it's all going to go down. In one corner, you're going to have one group, and in the other corner, their opposition. In just a few hours, for several hours, we're expecting to see demonstrators clash in the name of fear, frustration, and freedom of religion.
From sacred ground,
shame on them,
to battleground.
I'm here for human rights.
2 blocks away from Ground Zero, demonstrators on both sides of the Islamic Center debate are preparing for a showdown.
What's very upsetting is that over 1,100 family members were never found. To me, that's a cemetery.
People say it's too close to Ground Zero. Well, where does the First Amendment kick in again? 2 blocks, 3 blocks, a mile away, a state away?
The uproar is expected to come to a head right here on the very block where the proposed community center and mosque is set to be built. Hundreds, even thousands, are expected to cram each end of Park Place. One person who won't be here, the most contentious person in all of this. The imam behind the project is thousands of miles away, traveling in the Middle East on a trip sponsored by the State Department. The mission is meant to symbolize religious freedom.
We're told that there are 2 big issues that we shouldn't even discuss around the dinner table: politics and religion. This is a combination of both.
The question now, is there any chance the 2 groups could meet somewhere in the middle?
My prediction is that mosque is not going to be built in that location. It's too much of a hot potato. That the freedom of religion that made people leave another country to come here, ironically, in the first place, is going to be superseded by the pain of an issue that rumbled around the world with that hole that's still in the ground as a symbol.
Organizers say protest or no protest, they're sticking with the plan, and changing location is not an option.
The protest is expected to get underway at around 11 o'clock this morning. Demonstrators on both sides of the issue say this isn't the first protest and it won't be the last, but things likely to get heated up today.